Welcome to the Recyclable Bags journey. Tomorrow, we offer you the opportunity to recycle our bags. The current bag, composed with 2 craft layers and 1 PE layer, is about to evolve into a strippable version. This means that you will be able to easily separate the different layers. We are moving forward within LaSAF CSR commitments, and tomorrow we offer you the opportunity to recycle our bags. As you can see, there are no changes between the current and the new version of the bag. Open it by cutting the top or unstitching it. See now, when the bag is empty, how easy it is to separate the layers. After the separation of the layers, you are able to select them and put them in the designated bin. Be sure to think of sorting the sealed part. Either you cut the top off the bag or unstitch it. LaSAF is moving even further with the new bag design, which means that it is becoming monochrome and the printing area is reduced. Working together to better nourish and protect the planet.